Hi, it's Tony. You're in PopPop's workshop, and we made a $75,000 cutting board. Now, why in the world would I claim that this looks nice? Why is that a $75,000 cutting board? Watch the video and find out. Shouldn't have done that. I got glue to clean out of there. All right, so you've seen the tens of thousands of dollars of equipment that has taken me to get to this point. And we're going to finish up. We got the my boo-boo with putting glue in there that I didn't need because we're going to fill that with epoxy, which is the step we're on right now. So I've got my mica powder from Starbond. We picked a color that's, you know, going to hopefully look a little copperish when we get it in there. We'll see. I think it'll turn out really nice. Got my Alumilite epoxy, 2 parts, ready to mix that. A glue nozzle from Woodcraft. I got a pack of these for not much at all. So we'll fill that up, pull the tip, and that'll let me kind of be neater with applying my epoxy so I don't have so much to sand on the top. So let's get to the epoxy. Okay. Obviously, it's not a $75,000 cutting board. However, you saw all the machines that we were using there, and when you total up the cost of all those machines, it's over $75,000. Obviously, we're not a production shop. A lot of the equipment we're using on the Powermatic side is production shop level. So we probably wouldn't, you know, we would be able to fit them in here. Not a chance, especially that wide belt sander is a monster. So we got to play with them. That was great. But we did get to use the new coatings, the Armor Glide, the Jet Black. And let me tell you something. If you use those, you will understand just how great it is. Armor Glide, you saw us on the joiner. It was butter. Buttery smooth right across there. I could go on and on about how much fun we had. And because of that, with the good people we got to meet there, the fun time we had doing that, it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience, and that makes this board not $75,000. It makes this board priceless. So if you get an opportunity to do something like that, I highly recommend it. Kidney Candy Store, I swear to you, you will just geek out on everything. So hopefully you had a good time watching us have a good time, enjoying ourselves all week long. And a shout out to the folks at JPW. Thank you so much for entertaining us there, keeping us busy, educating us, and letting us play with all those cool tools that probably we'll never play with again, but it was fun when we did it. So thank you very much for watching the video. We don't take for granted that you took your time to watch us do something silly, but fun at the same time. Thanks again, and remember, you can do this.